play 10-10?
Let's play, oh, but don't cheat.
Jesus. Sorry.
Oh, Jesus.
Bro, you know you mashed me.
Is it because of that small thing that you're even crying? I beg, get down.
Jesus. You're telling me get out. Look at this uncompleted metamorphosis.
Yes, look at you. Look at you. Have fear.
Jesus, me have fear. Look at this memo.
Look at you. Look at you. Spanner head.
Jesus, spanner head. Look at the bombastic element.
Look at you. Cockroach intestine.
Jesus. Me cockroach intestine. You know who my father is, eh? I'm going to report you to my father. You know my father is a lawyer. He's going to sue you to court.
Come on, get out. You know my father is?
Who's your father?
My father is a native doctor. He to turn you, your mother and your father into chicken.
Sorry, please.
Promise, no green. We must chop chicken.
Yes.
No. This yoke is heavy and this burden is not light. I can take some now, go No, hold up. What is making my beautiful angel to cry in the early hours of the morning? What's the problem? Talk to me.
His promise.
What the promise? Talk to me.
She beats me.
What? You mean promise had the guts, the temerity, and the impetus to lay her filthy hands on you? What an intellectual pre-bra.
You are a mumu man.
What an undiluted Amajon. You mean she laid her hands on you for no reason? Take me to her house. I must deal with somebody this morning. I must use somebody as a scapegoat. What I can say, my beautiful angel, don't take me to her house. Take me to Promise house. Go.
She said something.
What did she say? That in fact, I don't want to hear anything right now. My temper is hot. I want to express my anger. Also, tell me what she said.
She said her father is a native doctor and her father is going to turn you, me and mommy to chicken.
Yeah. Come.
You are a mumu man.
She know I'm your father. I cannot lie to you. You know the Bible says we should love our neighbors as ourselves. We should make peace with our enemies.
You are a
mumu
man.
And promise and the father. Just turn and face promise. Tell her, here's the one. They won't know. Turn and face the father. Here's the more. They won't know. And then do what? Run back. What did I say?
But I said they're going to go and defend me now.
Defend what? I call myself the blood of Jesus. I want to let myself long life and prosperity. I will not die in Jesus' name. Let's go inside.